Ito yung ating barya guys, ang 5 piso multiple error. Coins ito guys ng Pilipinas. Kabilaan ang error guys. Tapusin ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys. Dahil mayroon itong halagang umabot sa 3,000 pesos at mas mataas pa kapag certified coins ang ating hinawakan guys. Philippine 5 piso coins such as off-center strike, clef planchets, or die cracks are highly collectibles, with some particularly from the 1995. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP series valued significantly higher than face value up to 3,000 pesos. This rare flawed coins features distinct misalignment or production flows that attract numismatists. Common multiple error 5 piso coins types. Number 1, off-center strike. The design is not centered, leaving a blank area often seen in 5 piso Emilio Aguinaldo coins. Number 2, clef planchets. A crescent shaped chunk is missing from the edge caused by the blanking machine overlapping the metal strip. Number 3, die cracks flows. Wrist lines or imperfection caused by damaged dies. Number 4, rotated die. The reverse side is not aligned with the obverse, often turned at a specific angle. Key collector's notes. Number 1, the 1997 BSP series is specifically noted for having valuable error variants. Number 2, value. Misstruck or damaged line are sought after by collectors, with price varying based on the severity of the error. Number 3, verification. It is important to distinguish between genuine man-made errors and man-made damages. For authenticating or finding buyers, it is recommended to join specialized numismatic groups like Pinoy collectors or check forums on site like Numista. At yan guys ang ating mga nakuhang impormasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng Pilipinas. Hindi basta-basta magbinta guys ng mga barya kung walang certified galing sa ating mga numismatic or numismatist. So ganito ang itsura guys, ang mga errors. Mayroon na itong price na 3,000 pesos at magdepende rin guys sa kanyang kondisyon. Ang kanyang mga gas-gas, kung kapag marami, mababawasan din guys. So kapag certified na ang iyong barya guys ng mga error coins, ay mas mataas pa guys sa 3,000. Dahil pwede natin isali yon sa ating mga auction house or subastahan dito sa Pilipinas at sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa. Bago magbenta ng mga barya guys, alamin nyo muna ang katotohanan para hindi kayo may scam. Inspeksyonin ng mabuti ang iyong barya kung karapat-dapat bang ibenta ng mas mataas pa sa iyong inakala. At yan guys ang ating mga natutunan sa baryang ito guys. Huwag kalimutan mag-like, comments, and share. God bless everyone.